Hi. Based on my last name, Stokes, I had to choose UDL Principle 3, which is provide multiple means of engagement. And I chose Guideline 8, provide options for sustaining efforts and persistence. I believe the teacher is responsible for assigning activities that will keep students engaged. Many times, students show lack of efforts because they are not interested. However, if options are given to choose from that, they will be interested and they will push to complete no matter how difficult the challenge may be within the activity. And then I chose checkpoint 8.3, which is foster collaboration and community. I feel like if you cultivate a community that is conducive for collaboration, students have a greater chance of being engaged and to succeeding academically because it leads to greater learning and comprehension. So the key considerations for this checkpoint, the first one was organize and collaborate in learning groups with straightforward goals, positions, and tasks. When organizing groups, it is imperative to give specific goals to keep students focused, and it is also helpful to have them delegate who will do what so the task can be completed without any confusion. Then to organize school-wide plan or positive behavior support with differentiated objectives and support. If you set positive behavior support school-wide, this will help creating incentives beyond the class to keep students on task. For example, if the school is having an event, getting a certain amount of participation points in the classroom will give them the chance to actually attend the event. And then accommodate prompts that show learners when and how to question peers and or the teacher. For me, I always use ask three before me. So the students will first ask themselves by using background knowledge. Then they could ask within using their notes and looking at their notes. And then the peer, they're able to go to their peers and then ask the teacher. Then they have inspire and support opportunities for peer interactions and support. In this, you are able to actually allow students to turn and talk during the lesson with their partner, and then develop communities of learners involved in same interests or activities. So when creating groups, you should be intentional in how you pair up students, not just because they are friends, but make sure that they're able to complement each other academically with the interests, where everybody in the group is not obviously in the same learning style. However, they can complement each other with different learning styles and different interests. And then lastly, set expectations for group work. Let the students know ahead of time what the expectation will be so their goal can actually be met. And the chosen strategy that I chose was organizing and collaborating learning groups with straightforward goals, positions, and tasks. Me being an intervention teacher, when groups are created, I will get a bang for my buck if I be sure to specify the goals and roles they have and complementing the assignment. In this, I believe that less time is wasted and they are actually engaged in the learning and becoming academically successful. Thank you.